What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Auto Addict. Hope you guys are having a good day today. I have right next to me a Chevy Camaro RS that we've added some cosmetics mods to it. Let's go ahead and dive into all the details, show the 3 mods that we've added on this RS Camaro, and dive into all the details. Let's go ahead and start off, guys, with our LED side markers for the Gen 6 2016 to 2018 fitment. It's a direct fitment product that doesn't need to be wired up at all. It gives the black housing right around the LED strip, and then all around it with a nice sharp amber light, giving the car a very sporty luxury look to make your car stand out. Moving over to the back, guys, as you can see, the front will be amber and then the rear will be red. Again, giving the side marker a very nice touch to it with a nice LED strip that's extremely bright during the day. During the nighttime, it's going to be even brighter to make sure your car is very noticeable at nighttime, displaying both side markers on the front and the back. As you guys see right here, guys, our client purchased our ZL1 1LE replica spoiler. This spoiler was installed on an RS trunk. This will be a great example to show you guys exactly when you have an RS trunk, what it takes for the details to be installed the right way, and what are the things that's going to be shown when you have an RS trunk. As you can see, guys, the trunk showing a lot of holes, but we did cover it for our client. Our client is okay to rock it this temporary till we get him an SS trunk, so we can delete all these holes that he had with the old lip that was put on the RS trunk. Overall, guys, we are giving the client the way he wanted it to be done, so that's exactly what he requested, and he was okay with it till we get the trunk for him and paint it, and then go ahead and install a flush install for the ZL1 1LE holes. This product will be available for you guys to purchase. The link will be posted in the comments below, so stay tuned for that. You'll see all the details information when it comes to this product to purchase for your ZL1 1LE spoiler. And lastly, guys, as you can see, the last mod that we've added, our client wanted to give his viewers a little bit of a refining touch, so we added our spike gloss black lug nuts all around, giving him a 14 by 1.5 specs to fit those OEM wheels. There you guys have it. If you guys liked what we've added cosmetics wise to this RS, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you guys haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. We have a lot more content to show you guys on what you can add to your American Muscle builds. Make sure you hit that notification bell button so every time we post, you guys are fully alerted. Don't forget, guys, all these products will be linked in the comments, so you can go ahead and purchase them directly through our website. There's free shipping and we offer easy financing. Hope you guys like this video. I will see you guys soon. Peace.